Before the show, we warn you and ask don't repeat what have you seen at home. All actions are performed by professionals. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you a culinary show in which chefs from all over the world compete for the title of the best culinary specialist in history. They need to prepare such a dish that will strike the critics provided to them. On the 8th of the March, our today's participants will need to prepare the most romantic dish. First participant, Nikolai, and the second too. The first Nikolai is the born culinary specialist. His friends say that as a child he used a calendar instead of umbrella. And the second Nikolai is a culinary virtuoso and professional. He became like that as a child. Instead of toys he was given a frying pans. And today, these two culinary monsters are ready to cross the table knives in a fair fight for the title of the best cook for the best dish for women. And we start.
Dear ladies, today we will fight for the best dish devoted on the 8th March.
Yeah, I think the fight will be great. Enjoy it.
Are you going to win today?
Yes, I'm going to win because I'm the best chef and my salad is legendary.
So, how do you feel about this fight?
I think that I'm going to win. Yes, because I'm the best culinary specialist in history. And of course my salad is much better than Nikolai's salad, of course. Okay, let's start.
For my legendary salad, I need sweet onion, cabbage iceberg, corn, some tomatoes, oil, king cheese, and tuna.
Okay, and for my salad, first of all, I need the special cheese from the special coast. Also, the olives straight from Greece. Also, the special salad. And, thank you very much, Arseny, the special sauce for the Caesar salad. Thank you. Okay, Nikolai, it's time to start, you know?
Nikolai, how is your salad? What do you think about our today's battle? Do you think, Nikolai, do you cry? You think I'm
No,
winner?
I'm never cry.
I know that you cry because I'm already win, you know? What are you doing, Nikolai? Oh, thank. Oh my! Oh my! Oh my! Oh, so, okay. So I think I have a special ingredient for the salad.
Oh wow.
Nikolai, how is your salad? Oh, it's good.
special guest, it's Masha. Between two Nikolais, me Nikolai and the second one Nikolai too. Okay, you need to try this and say who is better. Okay. Masha, do you like it? Yes, you like it?
Yes.
Oh no. Nikolai, why?
Ooh.
Oh why?
Молодец, well done.
Oh my god.
Ой, тебя почти не видно было.
Итак, дорогие дамы, мы поздравляем вас с 8 марта.
Желаем вам всего хорошего, чтобы вы оставались такими же красивыми, учились готовить хорошо.
Как мы. И, собственно, с 8 марта.
Да.
Ура!
Seven. And one more. Thank you. Everything. I love it. Take it.
Dear ladies, today we'll fight for the best dish on the 8th match.
So? Не, шучу.
2 tomatoes, sweet. Onions. Давай еще раз. 2 tomatoes, sweet onions. Onions. Some sweet onions. Да, что такое?
Расскажи, some onions.
Some onions.
Нормально все.
Some onions. Some sweet icon.
Чего?
Lemon.
Чувак, ну не мешай.
Айкон, что
Ой, блин, onions.
Коля, ты не можешь одно слово.
I need some tomatoes, lemon, sweet
Знаешь, такой...
onions. I need cabbage. Sweet. Да что такое-то?
Sweet onion, вот это sweet onion.
Давай я с него сразу начну.
3:28 a.m.
And tuna.
Ура! Коля, у тебя пишет котличка?
Нет.
Это гениально.